Welcome to our tutorial on print on demand. If you're looking to start an online business with minimal upfront investment, selling custom design products might be the perfect venture for you. Print on demand (POD) is a business model where products are printed and shipped only after an order is placed, eliminating the need for inventory. It's ideal for entrepreneurs who want to sell custom merchandise without the hassle of managing stock or fulfillment. Select a niche that aligns with your interests or a specific target audience, such as pet lovers or fitness enthusiasts. Decide on the types of products you want to sell, from apparel and accessories to home decor and tech gadgets. Use graphic design software like Adobe Illustrator or Canva to create unique and appealing designs for your products. Consider trends, seasonal themes, and customer preferences to ensure your designs resonate with your audience. Choose a platform like Shopify or WooCommerce to build your e-commerce website. Integrate a pod service like Printful or Teespring, which will handle printing and shipping your products. Utilize social media platforms like Instagram and Facebook to showcase your designs and connect with potential customers. Run targeted ads, collaborate with influencers, and engage with your audience to drive traffic to your store. Ensure a smooth ordering process by setting up clear product descriptions, sizing guides, and shipping information. Provide excellent customer service by responding promptly to inquiries and resolving any issues that arise. As your business grows, consider expanding your product range or exploring new marketing channels. Analyze sales data and customer feedback to make informed decisions and continuously improve your offerings. Print on Demand offers a flexible and creative way to start your own online business with minimal risk. By focusing on unique designs, effective marketing, and customer satisfaction, you can build a successful brand in the world of custom merchandise. Thank you for watching our guide to print on demand. If you're ready to turn your creative ideas into a profitable business, start designing and launch your store today. For more tips on e-commerce and online entrepreneurship, don't forget to subscribe to our channel.